Hello, and welcome to the Broadpeak.io series. In this episode, we present you how to invite a colleague. Once logged in on the platform, click on the Account Settings button on the left, then click on Invite New Users and provide the first name, last name and email address of your colleague, then click on Send Invitation. A new item appears in the team member table, with a Not Verified status in red. Your colleague will receive an activation email. Once the account is validated, it appears with a verified status in green in the team member table. To delete a user, simply click on the trash can icon on the right and confirm. Thank you for watching. In the next episode, we'll see how to generate an API token.